So in this video we are going to learn how to check if you are indexed in Scopus. In this case we are going to look at if you as a researcher, your articles or your work has been indexed in Scopus, or in other words, we want to see if you as a researcher, your name, or you as an author, your name appears in Scopus database. So the first thing that we have to do is that we come to Google Scopus. We go to Google and we Google Scopus. So we click on the first link, we open the Scopus website. So as the Scopus website appears, this is the Scopus website. The Scopus website has appeared. So the next thing that we have to do is that we have to click on this link which says author search. We click on author search. So this one will take us to this page where now we can be able to search the author. So if you are the author, you can be able to search yourself in this page. So you can start by writing the author last name. If you are yourself, you can write your last name here, you can write your first name here, you can write your affiliation here, you can also put your OCID number there. So let us use the last name. Let's assume that my last name is this one, Amati. Then I can put also my first name here, but let us stick with this last name. Then you click search. When you click search, the Scopus database will display all the authors with that particular name as the last name. So you can see we have several of them. That have that particular name and Marty as their surname. So you can see the first one, they are ranked based on their work. The highest, the author with the highest documentation or the highest documents is the first one. Then the second one has 13. Then the third one has 7. So if we want to see a particular author, we can click on the name. So we click on this. Let's assume that my name is this, the second one, Armati Ahmed. So if you click on that particular name, then the details of that particular author will be displayed. The details regarding the publications of that particular author will be displayed. So let us see. Now you can see the name of the author has been displayed, the full name, then the affiliation, the university from which the author is affiliated, then the country, then they can connect to OCID. If you want to see the OCID, you click on that one, then you will be directed to the OCID website for that particular, or the OCID page for that particular author. Then you can also see that this author has 204. This author has 204 citations from 197 citations by 197 documents. That means that this author has been cited by 197 documents bearing 204 citations. This author has published 13 documents that has been indexed in Scopus database. What else can we see? If we scroll down, we can see the last article by this author, and the last article was actually published in 2021. Then this last particular article has 8 citations. So that is how you evaluate whether you as a researcher or any other researcher has been indexed in Scopus, or his or her work has been indexed in Scopus database. Thank you.